Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to speak about Dr. Gururaja Karjagi's principles. He has taught me so many things in my life. I have adopted so many motivational lines in my life. Today I'm very much happy to share these lines, motivational lines, which as inspired by Dr. Gururaja Karjagi. As you all know, Dr. Gururajaki is a famous academician and a famous motivational speaker. In around world, he has achieved great many things. He has won so many prizes in his life. So, I would like to share some of the few principles which he has taught to me, so which I have adopted in my life. I have succeeded in my life. So some of the few lines I am going to explain today. Number one, as per Gururaja Karjagi, Dr. Gururaja Karjagi, keep big goal in your life. You will say always small goal is a crime. We have to keep big goal in our life. We have to day and night we have to think about that goal. We have to achieve our goal. That should be a big goal in our life. He used to say so many examples. I have inspired those examples. Due to constraint of time, I cannot able to go very depth into that. So we as per his advice, we have to keep big goal in our life. Then only we can able to achieve, and we have to grow in a big manner. Small goal is a crime. We have to keep big goal in our life. So that second principle is leaders don't complain. Overall complain, they are not leaders. Leader always leaders, they will not complain. My father is not good, my mother is not good, my friends are not good, my colleagues are not good. He will not complain at all. He will take responsibilities. He will take a lead of all kind of things. He will never complain in his life. He will complain himself and he will lead. That's the reason leader should will always don't complain to others. Overall complain, they are not leaders. So it's very good point to note that in our life leaders always don't complain others. Number 3, as per his advice, time is precious. If we utilize the time, we can lead great life. Time is precious. Time is money. Money is time. So if you value to the time, the great people will always value to the time. Time is precious. If time is gone, you never get that time. Money can get, anything can get in our life, but time won't get. That is the reason time is very, very precious. Who values time definitely will become a great personal. The next fourth principle is you are the creator and destroyer of your own destiny. We are the creator and we are the destroyer of our own destiny. I can destroy myself, I can create any kind of shape in my life. So that is up to me. Nobody can motivate you, nobody can push. You have to push yourself. So that is the reason you are the creator and you are the destroyer of your own destiny. Next, fifth principle is getting success is not easy and not difficult also. Getting success is not easy but not difficult also. That and all, our mindset. If we have mindset to achieve, definitely we can able to achieve. If we have mindset, we cannot able to achieve. Definitely we cannot achieve. That and all mindset. We have to fix our mindset that we can achieve anything in our life. It's a simple sentence. Just see, getting success is not easy and not difficult also. There will be answer together. Will be get confusing in that those this sentence, but it's very true. If we have good mindset, definitely we can achieve anything in our life. Then sixth principle is live in present, not in past or not in future. He has given many examples. We have to live present, then only we can able to achieve anything in our life. What we'll do every day when we come at home, we'll think about our office. When we are at office, we'll think about our home. That should not be there. If we are at office, we have to think about our office. If you are at home, we have to think of our home. This is a very simple, but it is not easy to follow. If we are at office, we are thinking about outside, means home, maybe some other business activity, some other any kind of activities we are thinking about it. When we are at home, we are thinking about office. We should not like that. The greatest people will always live with present. They will not live with the past. They will not live with future. We have to always live with present. The next principle is one true leader can create 100 true leaders. Leader can create 100 leaders. A true leader can create 100 true leaders. So we have to value to the leaders. Leaders will always take responsibilities, will talk, you will take task, you will take so many efforts you will do. So you can create 100 leaders. A true leader can create 100 leaders in his life. You will always live with live and let live policy. You will always follow. The next principle is your efforts never fail. Who will fail? Who will stop doing efforts? He will fail. If you keep on continuing with your efforts, definitely you won't fail. You will get pass. You will get success in your life. A true leader always, and whatever he put efforts, it won't get fail. Efforts never fail in your life. Efforts, if you keep on putting efforts, anything can be achieved. So that is the reason it is very important that so many people are there. They will do some efforts, they will leave it. Once result comes, then only efforts, well, whichever we have made efforts, that should be a value. So till that result, we have to keep on putting efforts. Then efforts won't fail in our life. The next principle is failure is the first step of your success. You don't bother about your failure. When you have to get bothered, you have not tried, you have not tried for it. So then you have to worry. If you have tried, if you failed, you need not to worry. You will get pass, you will get success. Only thing is that whichever you have done mistake, we have to make it correct and we have to keep on moving. Then only will become definitely will get success. Failure is the first step of success. Then last principle is invest money on your education. We have to always invest money towards our education. There is no end for education. Education is a long process. Till that death, we can study. Even you can I can give example. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam studied, then he died. So there is no end for study. We have to invest to buy purchase books. We have to invest money to get courses. There are so many courses. There is no end for the courses. You can able to study lifetime. So we have to invest money to the education. Education will shape your life like anything. So these are the very important motivated lines I will have learned from Dr. Gururaja Karjagi. He is a inspiration guru for us. You can go through his videos in YouTube. There are plenty of videos are available in YouTube. If you see each one video, you will get inspired like anything. I have inspired so many things because today I'm here means because of Gurraj Karjagi inspirational words. His inspirational words and his motivational lines that changed me a lot. I have to become success in my life. One video, 3 years back, I watched one video. We have to keep big goal in our life. That video has made me, changed my life. So that is the reason today I was very much eager to speak about Dr. Gururaj Karjagi. So his motivational lies and motivational speech inspired me a lot. Please watch his videos in YouTube channels. Thank you.